இந்த இடத்தில் வந்து பங்கு பெறுவதிலே பங்கு கொண்டு வாழ்த்தி பாராட்டுவதில் நான் பெருமை அடைகிறேன். ஜெரார்டும் விமலாவும் மேலும் மேலும் உயர்ந்து வளர வேண்டும். 25 வருடங்கள் அல்ல, 100 வருடங்கள் இவர்கள் மிகச்சிறந்த அளவிலே வளர வேண்டும். அவர்கள் வளர்கிற போதே தன்னை சார்ந்திருக்கிறவர்களையும் வளர்த்து விட வேண்டும். அப்படிப்பட்ட வாழ்வு இங்க இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொருவருக்கும் கிடைக்க வேண்டும். And also I wish this partnership with Sukham continues, because it is a very good, I also consider this a kind of a national unity, sense of national unity, because Madrasi and North Indian coming together is very rare, because North Indians don't believe Madrasis don't believe North Indians, because that's always a concept, because one of the South Indian states which never allowed even child to learn Hindi, அவங்களுக்கு இப்ப தமிழ்ல பேசுறதுலாம் விளங்குதா என்னன்னு தெரியல. இந்த பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்ல அவங்க சீக்கிரம் தமிழ் கத்துவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் உருப்படியா வந்து பிசினஸ் நடத்தணும்னா தமிழ் கத்துக்கணும்னு they must have decided today they would also learn Tamil today, and this partnership must continue, and we people around these two partners will continue to support you, and we wish both the teams, Sukham and Bright in Powers, grand success in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was a lovely speech. Now, we're going to have one more speech, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Mr. Kunwar Sachdev, the MD of Sukham Power Systems Limited. Sir, we welcome you on stage, please.
Thank you very much. Good evening to all of you. I'm not a good speaker, but I think Mr. Arun spoke very well about Mr. Gerard, and I give all my wishes for this 25 year of his completion, and to all the teams. And I think Mr. Arun said that, you know, South and North has some differentiation, but I would like to correct, or maybe what is my understanding, now the country is one, and you know, we have certain very strong things in North, certain very strong things in South. If you see all our bureaucrats, they're all, mostly you will find they are South Indians. They're running the country. So I'm always affected by, you know, the intellect of South Indians. They are very good at certain things, and probably North Indians have certain things, or East, West. Everything has to contribute, and the nation is progressing because of the, you know, different type of intellect in this country. I'll say that Mr. Gerald is one of the, you know, few individuals. When I met him and when I, you know, interacted with him, I realized that he has a very strong entrepreneurship, and it's not me who's helping him. It's he who's giving so much, you know, see, entrepreneurs are going to give lot of jobs to people, and it is not easy to continue with this thing. So he is creating a lot of jobs for the people, and I mean, we create wealth, we create lot many other things, but creating jobs is the major challenge. So I see more than 100 people are working for him, and probably in the years to come there will be more who will be working. So I will not take much of time here, because everybody is getting bored. Everybody wants that show to be started. So I am privileged to be part of this function. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Gerard and Mrs. Vimala Gerard here on stage, please. Mr. Gerard and Mrs. Vimala Gerard, I humbly request you to please come on stage. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you can do better than that. It's your 25th Jubilee celebration, Silver Jubilee celebration. Come on. Just to give a little little bit of introduction, I have now requested Mr. Gerard and Mrs. Vimala Gerard here on stage to honor some of the dignitaries who've come in today here to bless this auspicious occasion, and they would be honoring these dignitaries with a memento. So, Mr. Gerard, I would request you to honor Mr. Kunveer Sachdev. So once again, please, I'm requesting you on stage. Put your hands together for Mr. Kunveer Sachdev. Mr. Kunveer Sachdev, who is the MD of Suchem Power Systems Limited, is a very key member of the Bright and Power family. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request Dr. Joe Arun to please come here on stage, please. Reverend Dr. Joe Arun. Mr. Gerard, once again, I would like you to honor Reverend Dr. John Arun. Thank you so much, sir. I now request Mr. John Morris to please come here on stage. And Mr. Gerard, once again, would like you to honor Mr. John Morris with a memento. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, keep up the tempo with your clapping. Thank you so much, Mr. Gerard. And now it's time for the lovely lady, Mrs. Vimala Gerard, to honor some of our dignitaries. I request Mr. Kanav Sachdev to please come on stage. Thank you so much, sir. I now request Mr. Shaurya Sachdev to please come on stage. Mrs. Vimala Gerard would be honoring him. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thanks to everybody who made it here today to bless every one of us and this venture a grand success.